Hello all. Today we are going to talk about Newton's second law of motion. As you all know that Newton has given three set of laws. First one is called law of inertia. Second law is this we are going to talk about. And third law we have discussed it, right? Action, reaction and so on. Now, if I want to write Newton's second law of motion in one line, it goes like this, that if if I have a system, right? Let us say this is a block. So this mass is my system, and let us say that different forces are acting on it. One is acting in this direction. Let us say this is F1. One is acting in this direction. Let us say F2, and so on. One is, let us say, acting in this direction. So if this block, which is our system, and it is under action of these three forces, let us say. Now, in one line, it is written that net force, okay, acting on this system is equal to mass time acceleration of the system. So this is your Newton's second law in one line. Here, what is important, you have to understand that net force is vector sum of all the forces acting. So right now, in vector terms, this net force will be equal to, in this case, it will be equal to F1 plus F2 plus F3. Okay. Now, are there any limitation to the Newton's second law of motion, or it can be applied everywhere? So it turns out that this Newton's second law of motion is only valid in a spatial frame that is called inertial frame of reference. Okay, so it is valid only in inertial frame of reference. Now, you may ask, now what is inertial frame of reference, right? So let us talk about it. So what is inertial frame of reference? So see, frame of reference is the place from where observation is made. Okay, so right now, suppose you are sitting in your room. So a room is your frame of reference, right? And if you are in a car, okay, and you're doing, let us say, some experiment inside the cars, the car will be your frame of reference. Okay, so what is frame of reference? Frame of reference is the place from where observations are made or calculations are made. Now, what is inertial frame of reference? uh, Inertial frame of reference is a frame which is either at rest or it is moving with constant velocity. So what is the inertial frame of reference? A frame which is at rest or moving with constant velocity is called inertial frame of reference. Now, let us take an example. Right now, your room satisfies this condition or not? So in your room, which is attached to the earth, is it as rest only, right? Fine. So that is the inertial frame of reference, and we are going to use, so this Newton's law in this format is only applicable in inertial frame of reference. Okay, so what is inertial frame of reference? We have defined it. So suppose you're in a car and car starts suddenly. Is it an inertial frame of reference? The answer will be no, because it is accelerating. Okay, its velocity has changed. Same way, suppose your car has stopped suddenly. Is it inertial frame of reference? The answer is no. Again, it has accelerated, de-accelerated actually. Fine. So whenever a frame will have acceleration or de-acceleration, that is a non-inertial frame. Okay. So uh, let us write the word non-inertial. What is non-inertial frame of reference? I told you, the frame which is accelerating or de-accelerating, right? Now let us take a next example. Suppose uh, you are sitting in some place which is rotating, okay, which is going in a circular motion. So you are suppose sitting here, and the table, let us say this table is rotating like this. Fine. So is this table is a inertial frame of reference? No, because you know that if anything goes in, let us say, uniform circular motion, it will have acceleration pointing towards the center, right? Now, so that is non-inertial frame of reference. So non-inertial frame of reference will be anything which is uh, revolving in a circular motion, or speeding up, slowing down thing. Fine. So this Newton's law is only valid, and this idea actually that about inertial frame of reference comes from Newton's first law of motion, which is also called law of inertia. You guys are familiar with the word inertia. It is the ability of a body, okay, which resists change in state of rest or motion, right? So this idea of inertial frame of reference comes from actually Newton's first law of motion. Okay. Now, Newton's first law of motion gives you the idea of inertial frame of reference, and Newton's second and third law can only be applicable in inertial frame of reference. Fine. Now, we have done the outline of this idea. We'll solve some question in the next video regarding Newton's second law of motion. Thank you.